How to download Citi app and sign in. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to the App Store on your device. In the source bar, search for Citi app. Head over to this app. Right here, you should see the option of Get if it has not been installed. Tap on Get and click on Install. Wait for the downloading process to be completed. Once it has been completed, tap on Open. Once you have opened the app, click on Accept. And then tap on Sign On. Or if you do not have your account, you can click on Register. Choose a specific online access in order to continue. Let me choose bank account number for now. Tap on Continue. Now you will have to enter your bank account number and last 4 digit of your social security number. After that, click on this checkbox and then click on Continue. Follow the on-screen process and then your account will be created successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.